Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here. Today I'm going to show you how to buy and sell Dogecoin on Tron blockchain. So first of all, we can come to Just.network. We can go to their cryptos and we can see the coins that run on Tron. So 25,000 Bitcoin run on Tron, 60,000 Ethereum, 100,000 Litecoin, and 50 million Dogecoin, and then a lot of NFT. With 50 million Dogecoin on Tron, here's the smart contract address. So we can click this. Here we'll be able to see Doge on the Tron blockchain. So 50 million Doge, there's only 158 holders right now, but this is pretty new. And the good thing about this is now you can essentially have Doge and use that in smart contracts if anyone chooses to build smart contracts on Tron for Doge. You can see the token holders here. Most of these are just in contracts like exchanges and swaps, but then there's some holders down here as well. So you could copy this address. Then we can go to justswap.io. Here's all of the market information for Tron on Justswap. You can paste that address right here. We're going to get Doge TRX pair. You can see there's only $5,000 in liquidity. Not very much volume, but there is a chart and everything like that, so it's working. If you want to trade this here, just click trade. So we're on the Doge TRX pair. You can also go to like Doge USDT and we can type in 1 Doge and see that it's about 25 cents. So I have some TRX in my wallet, 92. I have 3.97 Doge in my wallet. You can see like if I buy 5 Doge, it's going to cost that many TRX. Or if I buy 1 Doge, it'll cost that much. So let's just do a swap real quick. I'll show you how this works. So I want to buy 1 Doge, confirm. Accept. Transaction complete. I now have 4.79 Doge. Now if I wanted to sell some Doge, I just click this. You want Doge on top, whatever you want to sell to on the bottom. 1 Doge. It's going to give you that many TRX. Swap it. You'll have to approve this first. Confirm swap. Accept. Just like that, sold 1 Doge. You see we're back down to 3.79. So you can do it here on Justswap. Another one you can use is uswap.me. I'll link this down in the description as well. Just click on this, find Doge. Same exact thing here. Say we want to buy 1 Doge. Swap, confirm swap. Accept. Just like that, we've added 1 Doge. You would sell the same way. These are just different swaps that you can use. And I'm using Tron Link Wallet for this. I've explained Tron Link Wallet in many different videos, so check those out if you're interested. There's 2 ways you can get Doge on Tron. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.